failed Trident missile test off the coast of Florida has sent shockwaves around the globe, sparking a wave of international ridicule. The incident, which had the UK's Defence Secretary Grant Shapps aboard the HMS Vanguard, has thrust the spotlight on the UK's nuclear deterrence capability. The mishap, part of a string of recent problems faced by the British Navy, including previous failures in the Trident program and incidents with aircraft carriers, has drawn particular attention from Russian and Chinese media. With a sense of schadenfreude, they have seized the opportunity to mock the UK's military prowess. Russian media in particular didn't miss a beat in highlighting the incident. The failure of the Trident missile test, seen as a symbol of the UK's military might, has been portrayed as a significant blow to its international standing. The commentary from Russian outlets has been unrelenting and scathing. The incident, they claim, exposes the fragility of the UK's defence system and raises serious questions about its military readiness. This mockery from Russian media serves as a stark reminder of the ongoing geopolitical tensions and the global scale of the fallout from the Trident missile failure. Chinese media too joined the chorus of derision, further amplifying the international embarrassment for the UK. The incident has been used as a tool to question the competence of the UK's military establishment and its ability to maintain a credible nuclear deterrent. The story also found traction in Turkish media, with some outlets even suggesting that the UK's defence minister was in danger during the incident. This global media reaction underscores the severity of the situation and the potential implications for the UK's international standing and its role as a nuclear power. As the news of the failed Trident missile test continues to reverberate around the world, the implications for the UK's military readiness are being scrutinised. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the importance of robust defence systems and the potential for international ridicule when they falter. In summary, the failed Trident missile test has sparked a wave of global mockery, particularly from Russian and Chinese media. This incident has raised serious questions about the UK's military readiness, casting a shadow over its nuclear deterrence capability and its standing on the international stage. Despite the ridicule, it serves as a potent reminder of the importance of a reliable defence system in today's volatile geopolitical climate.